Welcome to this video about computer graphics. In this video, we'll explore what computer graphics are, how they work, and their importance in various industries. What are computer graphics? Computer graphics refer to the use of computers to create, manipulate, and display visual content. This can include images, animations, and videos. How do computer graphics work? Computer graphics are created using specialized software that allows users to create and manipulate digital images. These software programs use mathematical algorithms to render and display images on a computer screen. Importance of computer graphics in various industries. Computer graphics have become increasingly important in various industries, including entertainment, gaming, architecture, and engineering. In the entertainment industry, computer graphics are used to create special effects in movies and TV shows. In architecture and engineering, computer graphics are used to create 3D models of buildings and products to aid in design and manufacturing. Future of computer graphics. The future of computer graphics looks bright, with advancements in technology such as virtual and augmented reality, and the increasing demand for visual content in various industries. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more impressive and realistic computer graphics in the years to come. Thank you for watching Engineering Tools by SA on computer graphics. We hope you learned something new about this fascinating field. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.